Okay, today we're going to talk about main idea and detail. So this is your Schoology assignment for Thursday. Today, this week you're going to be writing a descriptive paragraph. So you have to choose a topic that you know very well. It could be a person in your family, grandma, mom, dad, uncle. It could be your dog. It could be your bedroom. You saw yesterday in the read aloud, it was about their nasty backpack. So hopefully you don't have anything nasty in your room, but that also makes a fun topic to write about. Sometimes when my kitchen gets messy, I think about that nasty backpack. So today I'm going to write about my dog Daisy. So I'm going to put in the topic box Daisy. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Daisy dog. And the main idea is that Daisy is the most, oops, I keep spelling things wrong, the most loving and fun dog. So in my detail paragraphs, I have to tell why, I have to prove that statement. The details back up the main idea. That's how it works. So one detail that I'm going to say is that Daisy always wags her tail. She wags so much that we think it might hurt her. Her tail constantly hits the coffee table or our legs, but she doesn't seem to care. She just keeps wagging. That's the way I'll end that detail. Another detail about her being the most loving and fun dog is she will even play with a cat. She loves to play so much that she will even play with our cat, Taggy, period. He's an old, kinda grouchy cat, but she still tries to get him to play. She taps Taggy and runs around the corner. Sometimes he will even chase her. She loves that. Okay? And then my third detail is about how she snuggles. At night, Daisy snuggles with us in our bed. She plops right under my armpit. Sometimes she lays between my husband and I with her head in my back and her paws on his face. Not exactly the most comfortable for the humans, but Daisy loves it. Okay, so as you can see, I put in the topic, the main idea, and then in each of my detail boxes, I have sentences that explain why she is the most fun and loving and fun dog. That's what I want you to do today. Choose a topic, tell your main idea, and then give details in these boxes that support this main idea.